Here we go.
Hey, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, mate. Cutting it
What's up,
fine.
bro?
We've literally just gone live. We've literally just gone live. We're coming up with plan A, plan B,
I
and
cannot hear you guys. Just one sec.
okay, we can
Okay.
hear you. Let me
Can you
just
still hear
message you.
me?
Yeah. We can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, so we're good. Sorry, I was just saying we're literally just gone live. I've just hit live on the live stream. Forex has just turned up here, like with seconds to spare. We were thinking, what's plan B, plan C, plan D? Here we are. We've finally got
Yeah.
you on. Welcome, there, Ali. So we've got JP guys. We got Ali
Up,
here,
bro?
Forexed on the channel. We're going to do a trader versus trader special, where these guys are taking each other on, and we better do a toss of the coin as well to see who's going to go first. So Forex, do you want to chuck up four charts on your trading view? So it's going to be opponent selects the chart and the time. So I'm not too sure what chart, but maybe you can. What's the best way for you guys to communicate in the
Yeah.
background?
We can
Okay.
talk through
Maybe
here.
I'll tell you
I'm
what
pulling
you
up
could.
my trading view right now.
Yeah. So what I want you to do is just pick four pairs to start off with, so you guys can at least set those up, and then and we're going to do the fifth pair later on. So four pairs. So maybe JP, you've been online here for a couple of for an hour at least. So Ali, do you want to send JP your pairs maybe in the chat?
So I don't have to pull it up on my computer?
Not yet, because we'll go with you. Actually, no, we're going to do a toss to see who goes first and second, so it doesn't actually matter. So you guys just put them in the chat for now, and each of you put those pairs up on your charts, and we'll get going. So, folks, thanks for joining in here. It's been a little bit rushed at the last minute. We were missing Forexed here. We've got him on lastminute.com. I'm going to go through what this is all about, and we're going to get into it. So this is trading up. We've got trader versus trader. This is a special. We've done a series of this already. It is a back testing replay challenge between these two guys here. So this is how it works. They're going to do 4 trades each in trading view, back test mode. The losing trader after the 4th trade takes the 5th trade first. So it gives whoever's got the sort of lead at that point an advantage. And then the winning trader after 4 trades takes the 5th trade second, at which point we'll know who is the winner of this challenge. And the winner simply gets your respect. That's it. There's no price here, guys.
You gotta follow me on Instagram since you only follow like one person.
Yeah, if you're going to follow somebody on Instagram, maybe that's what you can do. Now, this is sponsored by my sponsor, which is City Traders Imperium. So if you guys are using FTMO, I know a lot of people out there use those guys and promote those guys. So these are my sponsors, City Traders Imperium. They do similar things to FTMO, a bit different in the way that they do it, especially if you're looking to hold positions for longer, hold them over weekends and that sort of thing. They've got a full year evaluation that you can actually pass this and earn money on the evaluation account. So worthwhile checking them out, guys. There's a link underneath this video. The rules today. Traders can skip forward in time to find their entry setup. Okay, so what I recommend is don't skip forward too far, guys. Otherwise, you'll get abused in the chat for taking too long for missing all these trades.
I don't care as long as I get my setup.
Traders can cancel the trade setup anytime before the entry triggers. So, guys, do make sure you do let me know when you're about to take a trade, because I know JP last time you were on, I was like, hang on a sec, he's already taken a trade and I wasn't concentrating. So yeah, let me know. Make sure you move the boxes to the edge of the price so that the little arrow draws when the trade's running, so we can see when it hits the stop loss and take profit and that sort of thing. And if you want to let the take profit run, let me know. So you can reduce your stop loss, but you can't extend it. So once you put that stop in, that is your 1R down. Only one 50% partial exit is allowed per trade, so you can exit a trade and let the rest run. I'll do the calculation on that. Rankings were based on overall R during the 5-trade challenge. If you're watching and you don't know what an R is, then you should be able to work it out after this. The first couple of trades, maximum stop loss 500 pips, and opponent chooses the charts and start date. So, guys, I'm hoping that I'm just going to stop sharing here for a second. I'm hoping that one of you has set up the
Yeah, I set it up.
Okay.
Oh,
Right. I've got
so
a
yeah, he
tape
can pick
measure here.
my pips.
Okay.
He can pick my pairs first, and then since I got here first, he can pick my pairs first, and then I'll pick his pairs.
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to use this tape measure. I don't know why I've got a tape measure on my desk, but I'm going to put it behind my back. You guys are going to pick. Actually, let's just say go to the chat here, guys. Who's going to go first with picking the? Who's going to pick the hand? Who's going to pick the hand? And I've just noticed the guys on Instagram are probably watching and going, "Hang on a sec, can I see the hand?" Right. So which hand is it in, guys? Somebody who's going to pick, and I'll tell you who's going to pick. It will be. It will be. Oh, you're saying you can pick?
Yeah, he can pick. Let him pick my
Forex,
pairs first.
which hand do you want to pick? Left or right for the
left hand.
You got it.
Cool.
You got it. So you get to choose. Do you want to go first or do you want to go second?
JP wanted to go first, so JP can go first.
Okay, JP, you're going first. So basically, have you got your chart set up there, JP?
Which one?
Do you want to just share your screen and we'll have a look and
Okay, but
4 charts, right?
yeah, 4 charts.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
so you just gotta remove the drawings and shit on them.
Yeah.
Just
So
don't
these are the ones
fix-
you marked up, are they?
I mean, I've marked up all of them, right? It's just don't pick any Forex FXCM broker, just like any other broker which besides FXCM, and then you're chilling.
Okay, yeah. So, just to save a bit of time, so these are the pairs that you've picked for JP.
No, he has to. Which ones?
Which pairs have you picked? Just tell them the pairs. It'll save a bit of time for JP.
So what
just
pairs
type
have
in the
I
pairs.
picked for myself or for JP?
No, for JP. For JP.
Okay. I guess the ones that he has marked on. So GBP JPY. What is that? USD JPY.
Lit.
Let's do GBP USD. And the last one, let's do Euro USD. So you can leave it.
Do you care about the drawings or do I have to do it again?
That's up to Cam.
I can't hear you, Cam. You're muted, Cam.
Sorry, guys. I was just ending this Instagram stuff. So what was the question?
That if you care that if I just leave it charted, because basically what I did is that I put my zones up. Or do you want me to? I can remove drawings and then I would just redraw it again.
Remove drawings is
All right, that's fine.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. All right, all right. So I got these 4 pairs, and then that's it, chilling.
Okay. Cool. So you've got your 4 pairs up.
Yes,
All
I
right,
got
so-
UJ, GJ, GU, and Euro USD.
Okay. So what you're going to do is, you're going to minimize the so on the right hand column where the price is, you're going to minimize that so that you can't see you can't see anything. So you're going to drag down.
So take off your watch list.
Oh.
No, I'll show you what you're going to do. Let me just request remote control here. We're going to do this a different way than I normally do it. Right. So you're going to go like this, because this is what we did with you Forexed ages ago.
Well,
So
you
you're
want me
going
to
to
do?
you're going to get your chart like that, and then Forexed, what you're going to do, so then you're going to go to replay mode.
Yeah, but take off my pivot points.
Oh, right, so these are your pivot points. Okay,
Yeah,
you
look,
take those
it
off. Get rid of those. You're going to come up with a date, Forexed. Let us know what date you want him to start from. And he's only going down as low as 30 minutes, so I don't think you can go any further back than, like, I'd say July, August, maybe even September 2016. I think that's as far back as you can go before replay.
Okay, so let's do let's just do where we are right now, October 1st.
2020.
Yeah. Or
October 1st, 2020. This like a
That's
couple of months. That's a couple of months ago.
Now you gotta go a little bit deeper.
yeah. All
Yeah,
right.
because
Let's
he's
do.
probably, so. Sorry. The other thing you should do is JP is just leave it on the daily chart. It's easier to go back.
Yeah, I'll go back.
Yeah. So let's do like September 5th.
2019.
Sure. Yeah.
So yeah, JP, you would then just set that up like that's 6th of September or that's there or thereabouts, and then all you need to do is, obviously that, and you're good for that chart. Let's just do the other ones now. The connection's pretty good here, so why don't I just do it? It's gonna save us a whole lot of time.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah. No, in fact, let's just do replay mode. God. JP, do you want to just spin around and close your eyes? It's probably going to be easier. Spin around. Spin around. Spin around.
Wait, what do you mean?
Turn around in your chair so that you can't see the screen.
Oh.
And put your hands over your eyes.
Yeah,
that will do. Right. Just give us a date, Ali.
November 4th.
Damn, you give me end of the year volume.
What year?
2019.
Okay, November 4th, 2019. That will do. Oh my word. So and remove drawings. Remove pivots. Well, so the pivots it shouldn't matter because it's an indicator, right? Because it's only going to paint when you're.
Nah, but don't remove it. Just like put the little.
February
don't worry.
6th,
I've got rid
2018.
No, because I use it. Wait.
Yeah. Sorry, you can add it back in anyway.
Yeah, but it's settings. It has settings on it, and then I might as well just go back real quick. Look.
Oh, we're in replay mode. Okay.
Yeah, there you go. You just put. There you go.
Okay.
You gotta do it for all of them.
Sorry,
though.
what was the date? What was the date, Ali?
February 15th, 2018.
2018. Oh, run daily 4 hour again. Come on, daily. This is why I like getting you guys to do it because it's a real pain. February something. That's about right. Okay, and GBP. We're going to. What was the date for this one?
Let's do March 23rd.
2020 or
Let's do 2015.
2015? 2015 is too far back.
2017.
March 2017. That should be all right, I think. I'm just going to go 2018. Is that all right?
Okay.
Yeah,
that's fine.
Just in case, because I don't want to screw this up with. And Euro, I think we already did. Yep. So right, JP, you're on. Like Donkey Kong here.
Like Donkey Kong.
Yep. So it's over to you, mate. I'll put it up remote
So I'm
control.
ready.
Yeah, guys, live
Alright,
scores are in the.
Damn, took out
There's
my
a link.
pivot points. This is probably gonna fuck it
Yeah,
up.
sorry, mate. I got rid of the pivot points. Sorry, on the first view.
That shit's gonna get clapped. Oh no, it's okay. But
So, guys, live scores links at the top of the chat, also below the video. If you want to follow along and see what the scores are, I'll be updating those as we go.
all right, so I'm able to go to the monthly, right?
Yeah, you can go up and down timeframes all you want. Don't go any lower than 30-minute. And yeah, make sure you don't do what your mate Daniel did and click the wrong button and kick yourself out of replay mode.
Oof, UJ at this time was fire. I remember this it was pretty fire.
Did JD end up contacting you, Forexed?
For what?
Oh no, I sent him a message to say, can you? Because I was like worried that you weren't gonna make it. to send you a message on your phone or something.
Yeah, he sent it.
He said, okay. Yeah.
He sent it 7 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah.
This man. All right, about chilling. Daily zones.
What happened to your eye, man?
Oh, yeah, I've got a sty. I think it's a sty. It seems to be getting worse. If anyone's got any good treatments for it or advice, that would be good, because I'm about to go to the urgent pharmacy to see if they can sort it out.
Really, it's that bad?
Oh, well, this morning it was like double the size it was last night when I went to bed. So I'm not happy about it, put it that way. But it's only a sty. I think I haven't been massaging it, which I should be doing. Apparently that's what I've been putting the hot stuff on it, but it's the fact that it's like swollen over there and it looks like I'm getting a black eye now. It feels alright though. It's not bothering me.
You can see properly?
Yeah, I can see properly. Yeah.
Yeah, look, it looks kind of big. Like your face is kind of far from me where I'm looking at, and like I can still kind of see it.
Yeah.
Like it's yeah.
Yeah, because it's like
fire. All right.
in there as well.
All right, let's see. So basically what I've done is that I marked up all my zones from the monthly all the way down pretty much to the 4 hour, just to get some zones going in, since I did remove all my drawings and I don't really have my regular zones. So now what I'm looking for is to get a reaction out of any of these zones to get an entry for either shorts or buys. So I'm going to see right now price is ranging, as we are most likely, we're ending New York session right now. So price is starting to get a little bit choppy. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait for pre-London to see what kind of moves we're going to get for London session. So right here, we're forming some sort of support at this level. I got to see if price wants to... Am I able to go down to the 15-minute on this or no?
No.
Okay.
Oh, hang on. What date are we on?
Huh?
What date is it? Oh, 2019.
19.
You actually probably can probably go to the 15 without screwing it up.
Okay, fire. Oof. Okay, but so right here we are forming some support. We got to see if the support gets either broken or respected on this 15-minute. We are trading below SMAs, so I'm kind of anticipating bearish moves. Also, we're getting really close to a major level right here at 108.5, which also coincides with QPs, which I do trade QPs. And usually what I do when I mark up my zones is that I'll actually move it to a QP. So as you can see, price, when it came around to this level, we had nice rejections like pivot points 500, 500, 500. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm going to expect is that when price comes back down to this level, it'll have a reaction just like this. And this is also a major reversal zone. So price came over here, came back, retested it, and continued to move up for at least 30 pips. And then it came back, retested it again, and then it continued the uptrend. So most likely, if price does come back to this level, what it's going to do is that it's going to do the same thing and continue to push up. If it does close below here, then we could anticipate it going to the next zone, which would be 107.1. So let's see what happens. So we did break this support, right, indicating that we are going bearish after rejecting this major level over here. So most likely what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait for a pullback to happen. So I'm going to draw out my fibs for the first push to the next one, and let's see what we can get. Fuck. So yeah, so basically on the 5-minute, I would have taken a short right here, and then I would have already started writing this. But most likely what it's going to do is that it's going to keep melting. Woo. We're still in Asian. All right, so London Open, rejection to the 38. I'm going to take a short.
Okay.
So I'm going to take a short. It's going to be a 15 pip stop loss above the 764. And I'm going to target a 1-to-1 first. And then once I get my 1-to-1, I'm gonna see what is in the moves. So this is my 1-to-1 right here, and I'm gonna take a short right now. Okay.
Okay. Whatever you do, just don't move your stop loss, because we'll work that out. We'll work out all this stuff. So there's a partial exit of 50% at 1-to-1.
All right, boom. So yeah, so I take partials 50% at 1-to-1, and then so far we are at a 1-to-2, right? So at a 1-to-2, we did reach this -618. So what am I expecting? Most likely I'll get out right here. So I'm up 1-to-2.
Hang on. Okay, so right, so you've got a half. You took off half at 1-to-1, and you got the other half at. You haven't got the other. No. Hang on. Can you move the take profit up to where the price is closed?
Where price is closed?
Yeah.
That right there is a 1-to-1.5.
Okay,
But I would have
so-
gone out like down here, and it most
Okay.
likely will continue to go down. I would have to go down to a lower time frame.
So you've got to call that beforehand. So because of the replay mode, you've got to call it beforehand. So at the moment, you're getting out at 1.5.
I'm gonna take
But
70%.
if you want to get out at
there.
2, you need to play out the next candle.
So what I'm gonna do
what's
is
it's currently at 1.89 there. Yeah, take profit. So you're currently at close so you've either got to call it before it hits the take profit, or you've got to that's where you're getting out at the moment.
So here I'll take 70%. So I'll have 30% of my position running, and then
so you can only take 150% partial exit.
Oh, I can only take 1%.
Yeah. So you're still in the trade. So you've taken 1 out at 1R, and so now you've got 1.
So I have 50% running.
You've got 50% running. Yep.
All right. So my stops are at break even at this point, right? I'm gonna keep it going, and I'm gonna get out right here.
Okay. So do you want to drag that? Sorry. Do you want to go undo? Undo. Sorry.
So
just go undo, because we need to know where your stop loss is. You don't, as I said, don't move the stop loss. Okay.
Right.
Now move the take profit. Okay. So what was that? That was 2.2. Sorry. Yeah. Just on that close. Just down a little bit lower. A little bit lower.
the fuck. Boom.
Okay, so what was that? Just put your mouse over the thing there so I can see.
That was
2.7. Okay, 2.7. That's easy. So 50% off at 1.2.7. Let me just do the calculation here, guys, so that we can work it out. So that is 1 times 0.5 is 0.5, and 2.7 times 0.5 is 1.35. So that's 1.85 R for the first trade. Well done.
Okay.
1.85.
All right. So this trade most likely it's gonna come to 107.1 most likely. Let's see what happens. So now we got New York open.
Well, you're on the next chart anyway, so you don't need to carry on.
So now I can go to GJ.
Yeah.
Fire. So GJ, all right, so guys, so GJ is the pair that I only trade, right? So basically, if I get clapped on GJ, I'm trash.
So you just slow it down when you're in the trade, because just so that we can map it all out and stuff. Like last time, it was just so that we just slow it down. Once you get in, and you go, okay, right, here's what I want to do, and then I'll just say, yeah, okay, good, we're good.
Yeah, just like I did now, right? Like I was like, all right, I'm gonna get in the trade.
Yeah.
Okay, but
Yeah.
So GJ, what time we're in? February 18. These are good months, right? Months of the year that you want to be involved in are earlier to like summer months, right? When it starts getting into summer, it starts getting a little bit slow, and then September, October is really nice. November starts slowing down. December's trash. So you don't want to ever be trading pretty much December. Like this month, December got clapped. I got clapped. So you don't really want to be trading this month. Just take your time off with your family, enjoy your holidays. Don't be risking your money in the market. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to start marking out my monthly all the way down to my daily and my 4-hour, just like I did on fucking USD-JPY in my language. Sorry for my language. So as you guys can see here, we are at a pretty nice zone. We did reject this major monthly level, and we are kind of trending bullish on the monthly, and this is most likely a pullback to continue to go up. All right, we are rejecting this 8 SMA on the monthly, at this point, so that's really nice. So let's go to the weekly. So on the weekly, we start continuing that kind of uptrend, right? We did form support right here. And by the way, guys, if you haven't liked the video, just like hit that like right there.
I was just about to say that because, guys, we could get to 250 likes here on this video. If we don't, I'll be reluctant to do any more of these. So if you want to see more of this stuff, then you better hit the like button. All right. We're currently at 38, which is sad. A sad state of affairs. There's a lot of people who are all very tight on the like button there. Come on, guys. Show us your likes. Okay, we've hit the 50 mark at least. We're at the 60. So the people are listening out there. Well done, guys. 80. Wow, zooming up there.
Yeah, y'all better fucking like this video. You got JP Savage and Forexed here.
I struggled to get to. We're at 100 likes already. Wow, that's awesome. Fire. I struggled to get to 100 on Thursday last week. It was people were just sleepy. Different time of day. So I think we can get to 250, guys. If we can get to 250, we're doing well, and then we'll aim for 500. If we're going to get to 100 that quick, gosh.
All right, let's see. All right, oof, this is really nice. So the SMAs are coming across on the 4 hour, which tells me that a big reaction is coming. And when the SMA 8 crosses over the 50, I know that we're gonna go bullish, right? So what am I looking for right now? I'm looking for buys. We did also break above this previous structure high, higher low, and we did form support right at it. So I'm expecting for price to keep moving up, depending on how this next 4 hour candle closes. But I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour to see a little bit more. Let's see what we can get. In the 1 hour, we did reject this little consolidation zone. I want to see if we can get above it. If we can get above this, it would be nice for buys. Get a nice little break and retest. Continuing, I'll be targeting probably this major level right here. But let's see if we can break, because we do have a really, really strong support and resistance level right here. Let's see. Okay, so we are breaking above it, right? This was a little bit of a fib pullback right here. So we did get a 618 bullish engulfing continuation. And now most likely when we come and tap this negative 618, we'll get a pullback. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we're breaking through it. All right, let's see. Whee.
No, you can't go down to the 15-minute on this one because you're too far back.
So we are coming back down to this monthly level. Let's see what happens. How's the 4 hour at this point? Bearish.
Ali, is it Forexed or Forexed? I can never work it out.
That's
Either one.
Either one. Oh, damn.
All right, so we did break retest this level. So let me go down to the 30-minute. Oof, I'm about to get a sell right now.
Do you have a preference? You don't really care?
What?
Doesn't matter. I mean, I go by Forexed.
Yeah, because a lot of people call you Forexed, and I was like, I always thought it was Forexed.
Yeah, some people when they DM me, they're like, "Hey Ed," you know, they think my name is Ed. I don't blame them.
So we're getting kind of like a little range around this zone. So it's like the end of. So usually the moves for GJ tend to happen. London session, have a little bit of consolidation. New York session is nice. Then Asia session is going to start to come and it's going to start to consolidate. So let's get the fuck out of Asian session. All right, so we did reject this level. So it gives us a nice opportunity for buys. However, I'm not going to take that because we are in Asian session. Let's get the fuck out of it. Okay, but so what I'm going to do is that off this bearish rejection, damn, 37 pip stop loss, dude. I'm put like 30 pip stop loss. Be targeting this level, but first my 1-to-1.
Okay, so you 1-to-1, you're gonna let the you're taking 50, yeah? You're always gonna take 50 at 1-to-1, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna look to take 50 at 1-to-1. Let's see. Let me just give it. Let me just see what. Oh, fuck, I can't go down to the 15-minute. That sucks, dude.
Yeah.
We're still. Yeah, so February 18, you can't.
Hang on, let me just double check on my
Okay.
on my browser here. What are we on? GJ February. Let's just go replay mode.
JP,
What's up?
you're a scalper?
Yeah, but my strategy works for swinging as well. You're a swing trader, right?
Yeah, swing day trader.
Yeah, I just can't hold my entries for so long, dude. Like back testing and everything is so much easier when you're swing trading than when you're.
Yeah, you can't. Sorry, it's too.
I
far
can't.
back.
Okay, whatever. Let's find whatever. All right, so.
Yeah, you're usually a scalper, aren't you? But
Yeah.
So you've had to adjust your strategy for this challenge to a certain degree.
Yeah. Okay, but fire. This is beautiful. So we are getting 3 rejections to this zone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a buy, 25 pip stop loss. It's very, very tight. So if price does come back down here, right, I don't want to be in buys anymore. I want to be in shorts at that point because we would have broken a major level. But since we did form support on the 30-minute, which is a major time frame compared to what I trade, I do expect price to keep moving up. Let me put my stop loss. 25 pip stop loss. Yeah, so if it does break this low, then I'm not interested in this trade anymore. However, with GJ, most likely it could come break this low and then start flipping bullish. So you never know. But I'm gonna give it a little bit of breathing. So I am gonna take this trade and I am gonna take 50% out of 1-to-1.
Okay.
All right, let's see. Woo. All right, so
his next chart, there's no second chances on second entries on.
I can't take another trade at GJ.
No, that's
Oh
it.
shit.
No second entries. Oh, there's -1.
Yeah, so
That's
I'm up.
right. You're still up.
1.7.
Yeah.
Fire. Okay, so
Sorry, you're up 0.85.
0.85.
Yeah.
Oh, it's because I took partials.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, but major reversal zone right here. So my red lines are my monthly levels, my blue lines are my weekly levels, and then my green lines are my daily levels. For anybody that's wondering.
Guys, if you're looking for these scores, if you just joined, head over to the links in the chat, top of the chat, or below the video, and you'll see it sort of just under the top of the page there. So if you do jump away and come back, then this is a good place to go to find out what's actually going on here with the scoring.
Let me see. Yeah, we are at a major low right now. At this point in time. How's this candle?
The like seems to have stalled here at 136, guys. Can we get to 150? Surely. Hit the like button if you haven't. Get to 150, then we'll make our way to 500 later on in the show.
All right, let's see. Jew's a little bit trickier. right? But it always tends to move the same way as GJ. So whenever there's a big push on GJ, there's usually a big push on GU. I just don't like that we're literally at the top of this shit.
Oh, yep. Somebody's mentioned the scores are the other way around. Good call. Sorry. Sorry about that. Let me just change the links so that they're the right way around on this page.
All right, let's see.
There we go.
4 hours, not too bad. So once we do break this level, I do expect the same move that happened here to happen again for 380 pips. If we do break it. Let's see.
Well, we broke the 150 mark. Just 153 likes.
That's nice for shorts. GU shorts. That's fire. So this 50 SMA is very dangerous. We are trading above it though, so I'm still kind of bullish. However, on the higher time frames, we are rejecting this major level. Let's see. Yeah, so
you're in this
4 hour high. No, I'm about to.
You're about to.
Yeah, so on this 1 hour bearish close. Yeah, that's clean.
Okay,
all right, so I'm getting
1-to-1.
Yeah, or I'll let you know.
Yep.
So
well, if it wicks
goes
into it, you got to let me know now, because if it wicks into it, it's 50%.
Yeah, so I'll take 50%. I'll take 50% out of 1-to-1.
Yeah.
And what time are we? We're already in 8. Oh, so we're in 18 still. So we're in fucking. All right, yeah. So I'm gonna take that short. Oof. So at this candle close, I'm able to close 50%, right?
You can close 50% in negative. Yep.
Okay. So at this point, once we got this closed above here, which is my original stop loss was 15 pips, and this is 7 pips. So this is about half a percent of that percent.
So it's 0.5. Yeah. Are you gonna close 50%?
Yeah. So I'm gonna close 50% and get the fuck out of this trade at this point.
All right. Okay. So minus 0.5.
Because we are most likely gonna keep going up after this.
So you hang on. Hang on. Do you want to go back? You've closed 50%.
Yes.
Yep. Yeah. So what you've got other 50% running still?
No. I closed my full position.
Oh, you closed full position. Ah, okay. Cool.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. So minus 0.5 R. Right. Gotcha. Okay. So now you're onto the next chart.
Euro USD.
Yeah.
My savior. Let's see.
You could have seen if that trade played out anyway, if you were right.
Oh, yeah, let's see. Oh my god.
Oh, you're kidding. You're kidding. Oh no. Oh dear.
I fucking I don't know. After this it was a pretty fire rejection though. Whatever, I don't care.
Yeah. It's pretty
next
news.
pair.
So you're currently at 0.35 in profit with 2 trades to go. And this is your 4th, then we jump over to Forexed for his 4.
So just off of this structure right here, I know that I can take a short. We did close above all SMAs on the daily. 4 hour bearish, broke structure, came back, retested it. 1 hour is losing momentum towards the upside. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna wait for the next 1 hour candle, and then I'll most likely go short. But let me go to the 30. Oh, the 30 minute looks nice for shorts too. So let me just mark up my zones right here. I'm at 1.10109. Damn, it might move me up on the monthly, dude. Okay, no, it didn't fire. All right, so on the monthly, we are at this major level, which I don't like. That's the only thing I don't like about taking shorts right here. But we have been breaking lows. So price came, broke this low, came back, retested it, continued, came back, pulled back, continued. So we are trending downwards at this point on the monthly. Let's see what happens. Okay, fire. Let me just mark up this last zone. Let's go down to the weekly, see how everything's looking. Okay, came back, retest. Rejection to this level. This candle is bearish though. You're on a daily fib short. I would have liked to get in at the close of this day. But whatever, it's okay. We are rejecting this 50 SMA. We're trading below all SMAs, except this one right here. So as we break this low, I would like to take a short. So I'm gonna put that right there.
So it's a pinning order, yeah?
Yes. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna target the next zone. Well, yeah, as we break this. Target right here. But I am gonna lower my stop loss a little bit. Fuck, dude. This is that's why I don't like swinging such big stop losses. But if we do keep breaking, we do break this low right here. I don't see any reason why I shouldn't continue to melt as it did right here. Let's see what happens. So this is a pending order, and
yep.
I'll let you guys know as price starts reaching this level if I'm gonna take it or not.
Okay, and can I just say, if are you gonna take 1-to-1 at 50% at 1-to-1, or you'll let me know?
1-to-1 is where? Let's see. Yeah, I'll take 50% at 1-to-1.
Okay.
What session are we in? Okay, so hopefully by the time it starts coming down here, we're already in London session. So let's see. So this is Asian consolidation, as we like to call it. Just sideways movement until we get a breakout to each side. All right, so London opened. We're still rejecting this level. So as of right now, shorts are invalid. Oof.
Right, you're in at one. So you've taken 50% at 1-to-1.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so you're already in the trade, and you've taken 50%. Just as well we validated that because. Yeah,
so I've taken 50% out of 1-to-1.
Yep.
This is a fat bearish candle, dude. So most likely what it's gonna do is that it's gonna come back. But right, I am gonna run the other 50% to see what next levels we can target. I'll be targeting maybe this level next. So let's see.
Don't move your stop loss. You gonna don't move your stop loss. Leave it where it is. If you're gonna move the break even, just let me know.
The fuck is that? Oh. All right, so we got our 1 to 3. All right.
So hang on. So that was your take profit there. Can you put it over? Was it 3.28?
Yeah.
3.28. Okay, let me do the calculation here. So there's.
So that's about another That's about another 1.5%.
3.28 times point.
It's like 2% more.
Yeah, is 1 point plus 0.5 is 2.14.
All right,
well
so
done.
I'm up 2.14.
Hang on,
Okay.
hang on. 2.14. So that's your final. That's your final.
That's my final.
No,
Let me
no.
see where this.
So
Let me see where this
2.14
keeps
plus 0.35 is. Damn it.
like
Plus
2.5.
0.35. Yeah, 2.49. It's a good score. After 4.
Yeah, and most
One of you-
likely, ooh, fucking rejected this major ass
Oh
level.
wow, wow. Good
Yeah.
exit.
Good exit.
Good exit. Okay, cool. So, guys, those scores are over there on. I'm just going to stop you sharing the screen for a second. Those scores are over there on the link. So, if you want to click that link on the top of the chat or below the video, JP has managed to get 2.49 after 4 trades, which is it's a decent score. It's a decent score. I mean, like that would put you in the. If you're actually doing the Trading View Replay Challenge, you'd be 5th. At that
I'd be
point,
5th.
you'd be 5th, but you've
And
got
this
one
was-
trade to go, and if you lose that, you're going to lose 1R, which will probably drop you down a couple of spots. So, Forexed, do you want to share your screen?
Yeah.
And do you want to just minimize those? I know you know how to do it because you're the one that taught me. Minimize the candlesticks, leave it on daily charts, and JP, does he know what pairs to set up?
Yeah, you gotta share.
Okay, just tell him what pairs. You set up the pairs, and then maybe just tell him the dates, and then Forex can go back and have a look at the dates.
Well, aren't you doing that?
Well, I like to do as little as possible. So
Yeah, but you chose mine.
no.
like
Well, I didn't choose the dates. He chose the dates. You just got to say the dates.
Yeah, but he's gonna go back in time and see it.
No. Because what? Okay, Forex, show us the charts when you're ready. What
Yeah,
he's
I'm
going to
just
do
trying
is
to
minimize
figure out.
the candlesticks. You can do it that way. So it's all right. If we don't want to do it that way, we'll just do it this way then. We'll just spin it around.
Okay, yeah, but I'm
I'll
trying to
request
figure out how
access
to.
and we'll do that.
Yeah.
Don't worry about minimizing it. Just share your screen. Can you do that yet, or maybe I need to
I
give
think
you
I have to
access?
stop my video.
Okay. No. You should be able to do it now. I've turned on a thing. Is it not letting you share? No. You're on the app version of Zoom, not the browser version. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not letting you share the screen.
That's so crazy.
What is it? What happens when you go share
Wait,
screen?
one sec. Let me just try something.
Is it a Mac thing like where you've got the
No, I have a MacBook.
Because I know there's
You just gotta click
sometimes-
share and then share your screen, not audio. Damn, I didn't even have it.
Oh, I'm so okay. I found it. It was just that green button right in the middle.
Yeah, it's so obvious you can't see it, right?
Yeah. It's
Damn,
almost too
also
obvious.
I did it without music. Oh, that's what it was, you know? It was the music.
You can see my screen?
Yep, we
Yeah.
can see your screen. Okay, cool.
Okay,
So
I
I'm
already
gonna
have my
get,
charts open, but you guys can choose the pairs, I guess.
Yeah. So yeah.
So
what
you could do-
pairs-
You could do GJ, your JPY. You could do USD CAD.
Do you want to set up USD CAD? Just put that in. It's just easier for you to do it Forex as opposed to me. So AUD USD, update that to USD CAD. Are you able to do that?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah, it's just easier for you to do it instead of me typing it in. And I'll do the replay bit.
Okay, and what about GA? Do you want should I trade GA or something else?
Let's try Euro New Zealand.
Okay.
Oh, that's an easier way to do it, isn't it? Okay,
Ooh, you
cool.
say
Right,
that.
I'm gonna request access. Do you want to spin around Forex then, and we'll get this baby going. So, what date do you want, JP?
Let me get shit. Can I request permission?
No. Well, you can if you want. Well,
Yeah,
I
I'll
can
do
just
that.
close my eyes, right?
Okay,
Like
hang
if
on.
I
Let me
cover
just.
it?
let me.
I'll
Yeah,
that
you
way.
just. Yeah,
Yeah,
sorry,
look,
let
I
me
just requested it.
I'm gonna give up remote control. So
You gotta accept it.
JP's accepting it. He's gonna. So Forexed, you're gonna need to accept JP. He's gonna do the. He's gonna set it up.
Would you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Okay, perfect.
Cool. All
All
right.
right, look.
All right,
Okay,
I'm gonna look
so
somewhere
you
else.
can't go any further back than. So what's the lowest time frame you're gonna go to? Forexed?
1 hour.
1 hour.
Okay.
Okay, so you probably can't go back any further than 2016. I think
Okay.
2016 you can do.
All right, you ready?
Go for it. Yeah, yep. Put your hands over your eyes, Forex, just to double check. You might want to get a daily time frame to make it easier to go back. You're not on replay mode. That's it. Okay. I think you're gonna have to go a bit further back than that because you
On
gotta
that,
give.
on this one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's too close. It's gotta give some room. Because you could just do yesterday, and then there's no way he's gonna he's gonna get a trade.
Yeah. All right, let's see.
I'd say at least 6 months back. Come on, guys! I think we can get to 200 likes. At least we're about 30 away. If you're watching, if you've joined in, you haven't, you don't know what's going on. We're basically doing a 5-trade replay challenge. JP Savage versus Forex. These guys, you can check them out on Instagram. There are links over there on the Trading Nut website. In fact, if you go there, you'll see the current scores. So JP's done his first 4 trades. He's got 1 to go. Forex is about to start doing his first 4. JP's setting up his charts at the moment. Back in time where he's going to tick forward in replay mode and try and pick a high risk to reward trade. Okay, and we calculate the scores based on risk to reward. So whoever gets the most across the 5 trades is deemed the winner. And you've then got to go and follow them as much as you can on as many channels as you can. Okay, that's how we do it. So yeah, we've got the last piece of the puzzle is we need to somehow get to 500 likes. We're a little bit shy. So if you haven't liked the video yet, hit like. At least then we can get to 200. Then we can start concentrating on getting to 500.
All right, everything's set.
All right. Okay. Ali, turn around, mate. You're ready to
Awesome.
roll.
Alrighty.
GJ.
GJ.
1 sec.
Right. While you're doing this, I'm going to be about a minute. I'll be back.
All right. So you trade just off structure?
Yeah. I look at price action mostly.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for. Okay.
You're
So
getting
we're in a
closer.
downtrend.
You're at June.
What's up?
You're in June 2020.
This is 2020.
Yeah.
All right.
Twenty 2020 was a good year for GJ, to be honest.
Yeah. Okay, so we have a high. Let's go to weekly.
Right. How are we getting on?
He's looking for an entry. I'll be right back. 2 seconds.
Feel free to give the guys a bit of an explanation as to what you're doing there,
Okay.
Rex.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for something.
He's waiting for the magic move.
Where are we in? We're in this year, Corona time, is it? Yeah.
Yep. Colonel is nice for GJ though.
Yeah, the spreads were just, that's what got me. It was like,
The spreads. I had fire spreads.
yeah, well, my spreads were just ridiculous. They jumped up to like, I think it was lower than 3 or 4.
Damn,
Nice.
dude.
Yeah.
My spread was my spread in London session. The highest was like 1.2 pips. Highest.
That's crazy. Because as soon as you put a trade on, you're almost in profit then.
I mean, I'm a
1.2
scalper.
Yeah, because
I'm a
it was going so quickly. It was like every candle was sort of, even a small candle was like 7 or 8 pips on a 1 minute chart. That is right.
All right, so I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. So on the daily time frame, we see that the market is pushing up higher, and we have our higher highs and our higher lows. Line chart, obviously, you guys already know. I like to utilize it. So we have the low in the market. We pushed up with our impulsive move. We made a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and we're currently in our higher low. So I'm expecting a continued push towards the upside to follow this structure that we have. Now, on the 4-hour, however, you guys can see with our pullback, we are making bearish market structure. And I am expecting, as I just said, a move towards the upside. So what I'm just waiting for is just a clear indication as to when we will have that move. So right now, we have a level of resistance here, somewhere around this level. Okay, and we're starting to hold this level, but as long as price is below this level, I'm not really interested in looking to enter a trade. Okay, so now we're starting to push up towards the upside. Okay, so this is 5. Okay, 5 a.m. Push down. Okay, so let's wait for one more candle. Actually, so we just had a break and we had another candlestick maintaining above it with an indecision. We pushed down. Let's hop on the 1 hour, and we see that price is starting to have some bullish pressure from the point that we just broke above. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait for one more candlestick just to confirm. Okay.
You know what I realized? We're like,
so I'm going to, sorry?
Oh, hang on. Ali's just giving an explanation.
I was saying, you know what I realized that we're literally like basically right now. So like, I mean, you can anticipate GJ from like 2 months ago to now, or like a month ago.
I mean, you chose the point, man. You can
no, just go.
you can go to a different time frame. I'll turn back around. Like, honestly, I don't even remember GJ that well.
I mean, go for it. It's just that it's whatever. I mean, it's okay. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, if you're gonna win, you're gonna win. So.
Okay, so we just had a break above. We might come down for that retest. I'm looking for that wick and then a continued push towards the upside. Now, I've already given you guys my confluence on the daily time frame. We have our push towards the upside, and now we see a lot of bullish pressure starting to form. So I'm looking for that continued push and to carry off of this momentum that's starting to build right now. So we just broke above that, so everything looks good. Okay, so Cam.
Yeah, go for it.
So this is going to be my buy limit. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay, you're
trade's
in.
active.
You're in.
Okay, so it's a 4.5. So we're just starting to see price move towards it just started to consolidate. We formed a level of resistance here. Let's hop down on the 1 hour. Okay, so that's how it looks. Let's continue to push up. Okay, so we just broke above this level, and now I'm hoping we can see price come back, hold this level of newly formed support, and so we can continue to push up towards the upside. Our take profit is around 135.750, and currently we should be up around, how much is that? 2.13. So let's see. So I'm gonna make this trade break even now.
Yep. Okay. Don't move the stop.
Actually,
We'll just note that.
wait, can I secure trades or no? Like, could I bring stop loss and profit?
Yep. Yep.
All right, so let's secure 0.50%.
Okay. So 0.5.
So I'll just draw on a line and show you where that is. 0.55 right here. Okay. So that's 134.4, 134.147.
0.5. Yep. Cool.
So you took partials at that level, or
No, he's
or
just
you...
securing profit. So that's his new stop losses there.
Oh, okay, but
Yeah.
Okay, one sec. 47, and this was at 4.51, I believe.
Well, you can change the profit. It doesn't matter. You can change the profit whenever you want.
Okay. Okay, so how much is this at now? 3.4. Might as well just, okay, you know what? Let's secure one. Let's secure one now.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
I've noted that. That's all right.
Actually, yeah. Let's secure one.
oof.
So take profits at 135. Okay, let's see. All right, so yeah. So we got GJ.
So what was the total on that one?
4.5.
4.5. Okay. 4.5. All right. GJ done. Euro JPY. Good score. Good score to kick it off.
Thank you. Okay, so
Are you kicking yourself now, JP, that you've set him up in Corona time on the 4-hour chart?
That's not Corona.
That wasn't Corona? Oh, that was just, well, I mean, it's all Corona in 2020, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, 4.5. But yeah, Forexed, in all honesty, was that from memory or just analysis?
no, man, I can't remember that well, bro. When was this? Like May?
Yeah, this year.
Dude, I don't even remember like the beginning of December.
Yeah.
Like I'd have to go on the
It's-
charts and see.
Yeah, I think if yeah, I can understand that. I think it's like some people will be able to do that. They'll have like a complete memory of how a chart behaved back in the day. But I think the majority of people just, you know. Anyway,
Man,
it doesn't matter
honestly,
'cause
if I did remember, I would have told you guys I remember it. So
and then your analysis has to match it as well, and it wouldn't have made sense. You'd be going, oh yeah, this line here. Oh no, this one here. It's actually, you probably, if anything, you're likely to screw yourself up because your stop loss will get hit, and you're like thinking price is going to go up, but you're actually not putting your stop in the right place.
Mm-hmm. So EJ, we're just consolidating in a ranging market. There's no clear directional trend. On the daily, we are pushing downwards. As you guys can see, price is starting to devalue. It's starting to devalue. So we were at around here, 132. We're at 125 right now. But other than that, we just see price consolidating. EJ likes to consolidate a lot, but when it moves, it really moves, you know? So 4 hour. So we just had a break above this consolidation. And obviously when this occurs, when price is moving sideways, when it breaks towards the upside, it usually means that a new trend is going to start forming. And that in that situation, it would be an uptrend. However, there's also a fake out, so you have to be careful. So we just broke above, and we could expect price to start pushing towards the upside. Okay, so now we're maintaining above this level. Now, if I were going to the line chart, we can draw on our level of resistance right here. Okay, so we have this point in the market, rejections, multiple wicks. We pushed down. We had a little bit of a fake out here and a little consolidation, but ultimately we still continue to push up higher. Now I'm just going to wait for one more or another one. Okay, so we have a little. Okay, let's see. See how the 1 hour looks.
I was just going to say, guys who are watching, right? This is just the big, right? I'm 300 away, 270 away from getting 10,000 Instagram followers. Anyone watching, we've got enough on here to get me to the 10,000 mark. Can you please head over to the Trading Nut Instagram and give us a follow? I want to see if I can get to the 10,000 mark. So we've got 450 people watching. Please, I'm literally begging. I wanted to get there before the end of the year, so I'm begging. If you can do that, that will be fantastic. Right, Forexed, how are we looking? You're on mute. You're on mute. Ah, okay.
Sorry about that. Okay, so your JPY, as I was explaining earlier, we started to push back up. We had our break. We had a double doji formation. It basically means indecision on the lower time frames. If you were to look at that, it's just consolidation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a 122.5 on this. The target is just around 126. So in fact, you know what? Let's make this 126. And our stop loss could just be, I'm putting my stop loss just below this wick or add to this wick. And this will be a 2.67 risk reward ratio. And we'll see how this trade happens to play out. So now we're active.
Yep.
We're good, right? We're active. Okay.
Yep.
So
You're in. Yep.
Pushing up. And okay. Okay. So stop loss was hit.
Out. Yep. Okay. -1.
Okay.
Yeah, just what you wanted.
Okay. So the second one, how much am I at right now?
So you're at 3.5.
3.5. Okay. I think I could do better. Okay, so USD CAD. Okay, so obviously we were pushing downwards. We're in a clear trend right now. On the lower time frames, we would be able to identify market structure. Just by looking at the 4 hour or on the daily, we have our highs, lower low, our lower high, lower low, lower high, and so forth. We pushed up, creating our new lower high. And so far on the 4 hour, we are making our bullish market structure. But again, we have to keep in mind the overall trend on the higher time frame, which on the daily is bearish. So we don't want to be counter trending, right? We don't want to be looking to enter buy positions unless we have a clear cut broken previous lower high, which I would identify to be around here. And you guys can see we had our rejection. So if price can come up into this level again, we could expect price to have a push towards the downside. Instead of, there's a higher chance of price rejecting than price breaking above. Okay, so let's just see how this plays out. Now keep in mind here, the 4 hour, we are making higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frames. Now if price happens to push back below this level, the previous higher low, we could expect a new bearish trend to form, which would be in line with the overall daily trend. So let's just see how it plays out. We see prices consolidating. We have a level of support right here. Okay, one sec. Okay. One more. Okay, so we are seeing we're starting to see price push towards the upside. We're just gonna have to see and wait for an opportunity.
Guys, if you want to get us to 250 likes, we just need another 19, and we're going to get there. So if you haven't liked it, you've joined, you're wondering what's going on. Basically, Forexed is third trade in on this 5-trade challenge. So he's currently at 3.5R, leading at the moment, beating JP, who got what did you get? Where is it? 2.49R, so basically 2.5R. So there's only 1R in it. And you got 2 trades here. So it's actually fairly tight. It's fairly tight. That said, if you get another 4.5R trade, it's going to make it difficult for JP. He's going to have to pull one out of the bag.
Okay, so okay, one sec. So we have our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We could expect price to push towards the upside. If we are going to consider this to be our new lower low, which does happen to be the case, the support level and the candlestick formation. Let's see. Okay, so let's just try this out. So I'm going to enter a buy trade here. Stop's just going to be over here. Wait up.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna enter this trade now. So trade's active.
Right.
Okay, so stop loss is hit on this one.
Okay, making it tight. -1 again. Do you want to jump onto Euro NZD?
Yeah. Okay.
So it's at 2.5, 2.49 is where we're currently sitting, guys. It's tight.
So it's basically tied.
It's tight at the moment with, well, you got an extra trade, so obviously it's going to be 1.5 versus 2.49, or you're going to destroy everything and get a ridiculous score. So yeah, or just an average score. So it's either way, but it's making it tight, guys. So if you're not sharing this and you're watching it, please head over and share the link somewhere on your trading forum, on your whatever, Telegram chat, WhatsApps, Discords. Share the link, guys. This is going to get interesting. Last 2 trades coming up very soon. Very, very soon.
Okay. All right, so this was a previous high in the market. We're either going to break above to create a new higher high, or we're going to reject. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we pushed up higher.
Let me guess. You're too busy to watch this ad. Just like you were too busy to invest in.
Yeah, somebody said that your the reload message keeps popping up on your charts, and that means you've got another trading view running.
Yeah, I do have another trading view running. In fact, I have 3 other trading view running right here. So
yeah,
possibly that's why.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, people are always looking out for.
There's always something, man.
Like, trust
I
me.
noticed that too. There's always something.
Yeah, I don't. It's like, I mean,
Like even if I did have a like
If
another
you were cheating,
trading
you
view
wouldn't have
chart,
lost the last 2 trades. Put it that way. It's
yeah,
like
yeah,
you would
and
have
like I'm
spent 10 minutes
literally,
trying to work out how am I going to lose this trade and make it
but I
look
got
more
perfect score.
convincing. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, JP, I muted you because you had some weird.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna mute myself. I will unmute myself in a second. Give me a second.
Okay. So we're gonna.
Yeah, what people sort of miss is the fact that the mouse is always moving on the screen, so for you to then somehow control another trading view. And look, I mean, geez, you could have somebody else that, if you really wanted to cheat, you could do it, I suppose. But in the
I
long
mean,
run,
you could have it open on your phone.
well, you could have somebody standing in front of the computer,
Yeah, it's not.
holding
It's
up, going, buy at this level, your stop is at this level.
yeah. It's honestly, I don't think this challenge is that deep. You know.
Hey guys,
No,
so
no.
Give me 2
people are
seconds.
sharing this and you
Yeah, I'm just waiting for like a proper setup. I might be taking a while, but so price is trying to range in a downwards push. Okay, let's hop on the 1 hour first.
We're still at two. Oh no, we jumped up. We made the 250 mark. Well done, guys. Everyone watching, well done. We made the 250 mark. We're heading up to 300. So thanks for liking the video. Look, this is gonna get really interesting soon. And as I said before, if you haven't shared it yet, then make sure you share it on your platform so that other people can get this free education. Also, I did put my Instagram up there. How did that actually work? Did I get enough followers here? Did I get enough followers to get me over the 10K mark? It would be fantastic if I did. Nah, I'm way short still. Way short. I need at least another 240. I'll get there before the end of the year at least. Trying to get somewhere close to where these guys are at, with their 150 plus combined.
Cam, I have a question.
Yeah.
On the daily time frame, is this candlestick closed, or is it still forming?
On the daily time frame, that'll be closed.
It's closed. Okay.
It won't be still forming. Yeah, definitely closed. It's always closed.
Okay.
Well, actually, put your mouse over the time and you can see what the time is there.
Oh yeah, true.
1700.
Okay, so that's good. Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna enter a trade here. Okay, so the reason why I'm entering is just pretty obvious, just support level, and we have a candlestick formation here. That's way too. It's kind of unrealistic here. Okay, so I'm looking for a continued push towards the upside. I'm just gonna wait and see how the daily is formed here. Okay, so all right, might as well just execute it. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm gonna wait for price to come back, retest. So this is a buy limit,
Yep.
retest, and a push up. Now we have a level of resistance here, and we'll see how price reacts around this level. But targets is gonna be set up here for 1 to 5.
Okay, you're in.
Okay, so trade's active. Let's see. All right, stop loss hit.
Stop loss hit. It's tight now. It is tight.
No, it's not tight now. He's
It's
down.
tight.
I'm up.
Sorry, tight.
Oh,
Yeah, it's tight as in it's now 1.5R. JP's in the lead. So Forexed, you are going next with whatever JP's going to set up for you.
Okay, so I'm going.
Yeah, you're going next trade. So JP, you can choose the chart and the starting point.
I want to do. What do I want to do? Can you do like Euro CHF?
You guys choosing the most random pairs.
Yeah, I don't know. Shit. Let me.
That's
Your
pretty-
CHF is good. Your CHF is good.
You're happy with that? Okay. I don't actually like the CHF pairs. I'd never trade them. But if you're happy with it,
Yeah, I mean, he can choose. I've never traded that pair before, but
I only trade GJ. I've never traded any other pair before.
okay.
How long have you been trading?
Around 5 years.
This is gonna be my first year in December.
Yeah, good for you, man.
right? Do you
Wait,
want to
you
set
have-
them up? Then a date in the past.
Yeah. Do I have control? Yeah, I do. Okay, man. Oof.
Yeah, so I think it dispels the myth that like Forexed was cheating there by giving away his 4.5R lead. Whoever's on there thinking that was the case.
Nah, I've seen Forexed. He's
Unless he
legit.
wants to just come back and then, like kill it in the last trade, and that was his game plan. And I know nobody's trying to cheat on this, guys. This is a battle of skill, and people like to compete on these things. Right, you got your time. Okay.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I don't think you can go back any. I don't think you can go back any further than that anyway, because it's going to. I don't think you can go back any further than that.
I think he's chilling. Yeah, he's chilling for the 1 hour. Yeah, but. All right. There you go.
Okay, Forexed, you ready? Ready to roll. So you at least need 1R to tie or to win, to give yourself a chance of winning. You need, significantly more to really sort of put it out of the reach of JP. So,
Okay.
yeah. So 1R is going to get you at 2.5R, and he's at 2.49R. So if he loses the trade, then he's basically gonna lose the challenge. But if he wins the trade, well, put it this way: if he doesn't need to do a lot. He doesn't need to do a lot if you get 1R, which I don't think I've seen. You don't often get 1R, so you go for the higher reward.
Yeah, I've never traded this pair, so I'm just trying to like get a feel of how it moves really. This man chose the most randomest spot, yo.
Bro.
Right after the big drop. Like what? He chose the
Take a
most
buy.
randomest pair on the most randomest spot.
That was
I like
where
it. I like it.
That was
Take a
that,
buy.
wasn't that was where they pulled the pin on the bank thing, right?
Yeah, that was the market
the
crash right after
Yeah.
the market
Yeah.
crash.
And that screwed a lot of people.
I know people that shorted it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So we're 20 likes away from 300, guys. If we get to 300, we've had a fantastic run here. So if you haven't liked it yet, please hit like. And I'm going to put the live score link back up. Still, my Instagram's creeping up there slowly, but obviously people are YouTubers here. They're not Instagram people. So let's chuck that link back up for the scores. Is it moving like you'd normally sort of take a trade, or?
I wouldn't trade this pair in real life. I would not send out a signal or anything on this pair. I mean, look at it. It's just choppy. Like there's no. I'm not complaining, man. It is a challenge. It is a challenge. That's the whole point. Okay.
Yeah, Joseph, he skipped over 1 year because he's just trying to get a feel for it, because he's basically not traded this
Been a
pair
year?
before. Yeah, it's 2016 now. It's probably about a year, or maybe not. Well,
It's been a year and it barely moved, bro.
it's it's a good point. It's been a year in a range.
All right. Yeah, yo, when it's my turn, I'm gonna choose the exact same pair, man.
What, you're a CHF?
Yeah.
But
Nah.
Well,
I'll
not that
probably
he's,
choose
now
the
he's
case.
now he's just seeing how the pair moves.
not really, but I mean, any pair. Give me any pair. I wish we were taking indices too, like US 30. But I don't know, because US 30 is just biased.
Yeah, there's somebody I think somebody has traded the US 30 on the replay challenge. Actually, I think that was the Iron Man. There he goes. He's in the chat. Iron Man took the US 30 trade, and that's why I added the 500 pip stop loss rule, because he just took a buy and it went flying. That said, you did come on and get a decent score.
That's
second time
strategy,
round.
man.
Yeah, well,
500 pip
exactly.
stop loss.
Yeah.
That's strategy. Okay.
Well, it's just, I mean, it's investing to a certain degree. Oh, so close to 300 likes, guys. We're almost there. 10
Do you
to
guys
go.
see my? Oh, that's my phone.
Zoomed in a bit. Zoomed in heaps. There you go. That's better. So 2 trades to go, guys. Very, very close. If you're just
What's
tuning
the
in,
year?
it's very close.
2017? All right. I'll probably enter a trade before 2018, guys. So
Yeah, we've got one R in it with the last trade here from Forexed. He needs to win it, otherwise JP will win. Will he win? Yeah, he will win, because you can only lose 1 R.
Yeah, so if you don't win more than 1 hour on this one, I win.
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, 1 R or more. So 1 R is gonna get you there just, and more than that, and it's gonna be interesting. JP's gonna need to pull one out of the bag. So
I
guys,
will.
It's down to the wire.
Yo, take this in. Your SHF was ranging for 60 pips, 70 pips for a whole month.
Damn.
I mean, I don't trade that pair.
Yeah.
Hands up in the chat if you trade this pair.
Nobody. I don't think. Nah, actually, I know
Anyone
people.
does, bro, they're lying.
My sister trades this pair.
Yeah, we need to put a timer on this. Actually, I did do a timer on the semi-final and final of the trader versus trader competition that we did. So the guys had 3 minutes. Was it 3 minutes or 7 minutes? Sorry, yeah, 7 minutes to find a trade setup. And actually, they got better scores because of it, funnily enough.
All
Yeah.
right, so I'm just gonna have to enter this trade now. Okay, so I'll explain my reasoning. After a few years, actually, I finally encountered a trade setup. On the daily time frame, we see market is pushing towards the downside after consolidation. Price made new lows. We came back up for that retest. We rejected again with a bearish shooting star I'm expecting price to continue to push towards the downside once we have a retest. So that is going to be my trade. If price happens to push towards the upside and hits my stop loss, then it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is. Okay.
Here we go. You're in. Close.
Ooh!
Close. Close.
Is that stop loss?
No, there's still the arrow's still there. The arrow's still there.
Are you
But-
sure?
Yeah. No, you see where the arrow
Realistically
is?
speaking, though, like on a live trade, I would have
No,
been stopped out because of spreads and stuff. But
yeah, but because we
it's,
do, we don't,
for the
we
sake
don't
of
do
the
those.
challenge. Yeah.
The arrow is still there. It's still in. Oh.
Break even. So let's do break even.
Okay, you break even. It's not going to
Actually,
win.
you know
It's
what?
not going to keep you in.
You know what? Because JP chose this pair, I'm going to bring stops at one. At one.
You're going to
R.
put stops at 1. Okay, so the
Yeah.
I
competition
hate
now.
you.
Okay.
Wait, how much
Okay.
was this at before?
That was close. Wow.
3.5.
Yo, nah, that trade got stopped now.
Nah, fam,
Had
that's what
to-
you get, bro.
The arrow's still in there. That's why we get the. That's why we put the
One-
arrow in.
17061.
This is a 4-hour
That
chart.
shit
As well.
went-
The spreads probably wouldn't have taken that out.
That shit's 1.7060.
In real life, I would not have entered this trade. So, I mean, I wouldn't even have looked at this pair. So, I mean, I guess.
Oh, you
so
stopped
we
out
got-
at 1.
You got your
one
one.
R?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
got 1. Yep, 1
Yeah.
hour. Okay.
So now you're up.
No, it's
Alright.
done. It's done.
It's tie game now, right?
Tied game. Basically, well, no, it's not tied. JP needs to get more than 0.01
Yeah.
or 1.01. Yeah, 0.01
Yeah.
R. So basically, it's on
Alright.
JP now. So let's stop your sharing there. I'm just going to update the scores. And that was CHF.
Damn, that trade was nice. I shouldn't have gotten out of that.
How much is that? Like 5 pips? 15 pips.
So
Okay.
you can choose the pair now and the
There you go.
starting point.
Give me remote control access.
I got you. You gotta request it. Oh wait,
All right.
I gave it to you.
So guys, just so you know where we're at. So the scores are on the Trading Nut site. You can go and check it out. Trading Nut site. Go and check it out. JP's got 1 more trade to go. Forexed is at 2.5 R. JP's at 2.49 R. JP just needs 0.01 R to tie. 0.0.
Can I close at 0.5 R?
Yeah, 2.
Yeah,
Do
you
whatever,
probably
really.
are.
If you want to win,
But
if you
seem
want to
like
win,
the
you can
type.
do whatever.
Yo, I'm gonna win.
So as long as it.
What's your favorite
yes.
pair?
Huh? I only trade GJ.
You only trade GJ? Okay.
I have only traded GJ for a year.
All right. Gotcha. All right, close your eyes and spin around, boy.
So yeah, this is Ty. You just needs a
Spin
little
around.
bit of a win.
Let's see what happens.
So you're gonna choose GJ?
Yeah.
You're a savage for that.
Nah, man.
It's the only pair that he got -1 R on though. So it's probably a good pair to choose.
Oh really? That's what I got
That's
the
the
one
one you-
R on?
That's the one you got the -1 R on.
Damn, so that means I am trash because I trade only GJ.
And even that 0.5 R, if you hadn't have taken that, that would have gone to take profit as well.
Yeah.
It's always the way, right?
This is so hard to control. Wait, 1 sec.
But ironically, guys, you both got some decent scores here. So Forex, that would have put you in 5th spot on the replay challenge.
Already second spot, no?
No, you're already 2nd spot. You're not going to get this score's not getting added, but it would have put you in 5th spot. So it's it's in the top of the table.
Well, this
You
this
didn't-
this,
Okay.
this one's
Didn't-
not getting added.
Didn't quite make the Champions League, but you made the Europa Cup. You guys won't know what I'm talking about, but
Okay, just 1 sec. I'll let you know when I'm done.
Take your time, bro.
I will, fam.
Forex is going to trade this for you. He's got the replay mode going.
Yo, you're going in replay. I know you're gonna put me on a fake out.
Yeah, am I?
Hang on. We're
Am I gonna
way
use
too far back.
psychology?
We're way too far back here. That's 2007. we got to get to 2017 at least. Or 2000
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sorry, I wasn't watching.
No, it's okay, man.
At least I wasn't saying you're in 1975.
Bruh. I'll just take bias.
You said 2017?
2017 or like end of 2016, 2017. I'd go 2017 just to be safe because it will just kick you out.
A las 5:30. Okay.
Yep, Iron Man, you're still top 5. You're still top 5, I think. It's number 4.
Hey, yo, you can spin back around.
4.
Okay, fire. Let's see where you put me.
Wait, yo, I'm just trying to.
I got it. 142.8. Oh, you put me in February, dude? Oh, that's not even fair.
Why not?
He gave you 2020. I mean,
remember?
geez, February 2020.
February 2020, that's like...
I thought that's more than fair. I would have thought it was... you would have been trading this yourself.
I would have been trading this myself. Yeah. So there's a possibility. This is when I just started trading. I just passed my FTMO. I just got funded. Now I'm funded 300K, but back then that was like my first FTMO. It was a nice month. I remember. Let's see. So it's just ranging between this daily so far. I mean, most likely what we are gonna get is a break to the downside. To correct this whole move. Right, we are at 142.8. Like, what the fuck? This is like, oof. And we're rejecting the 50 SMA on the monthly, which is really good. We did have 2 rejections, so that's even better. We are bearish on the monthly. Let's go down to the weekly. And we also, not just that, we are at monthly support and resistance, which is a major reversal zone. So when price was at this level right here and it pushed up, came back, pulled back right here when it rejected this monthly, then continued up. And this most likely is a fib long right here. Yeah, so you see it rejected the 50 right here, and then it continued to move up to the negative 27, which is the next monthly. Right here. So price was moving bullish, but we did start making lower highs and lower lows. This is still considered a lower high as price didn't break this previous high. Let's go down to the weekly again. In the weekly, we are forming resistance at this level. This is a major level. This is a monthly level of support and resistance, which we could expect a reversal from here, right? So what most likely is going to happen is that price is going to push down. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be patient and I'm going to see how the next daily candle closes. So let's see the next daily. Okay, so the next daily came closed below the 50 SMA, came back, retested it, and held the 50 SMA to go down, right? The only thing is that we did reject these 2 SMAs, which is very powerful as well, which are the 8 and the 20. So let's see structure on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, we did have a break of structure to the downside. So we had a higher high and a higher low. We had a high right here being made, and then we had a lower low. And then this is right here, a lower high, which made this lower low valid. Now we have that break of structure. So we have a break of retest situation for shorts. So most likely what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the 1 hour and see how this candle is looking. Let's see. Oof, that's a fat stop loss.
You got to tell me when you want to go in.
Yeah, I'll let you know. Let me see how this next 30-minute candle closes. Let me see the next one. Next one should fall. Okay, so
Is this trade live?
No. He hasn't given
no,
a
no,
signal
yeah,
yet.
no.
Oh, okay.
So let's see. So we have this break of structure on the 30-minute. We are breaking and retesting. We do have this little level of support and resistance right here. This is more of like a scalp. So as you can see, I'm literally in the 30-minute time frame. Like literally, oh wait, I'm scalp, bro. I could go down to the 15-minute. Oh, you're getting clapped.
Oh yeah, because you're getting it. Yeah, you can go to 15.
You're getting clapped.
Yeah.
Let me see this real quick. One last thing.
We've got 301 likes. Thank you, people. We got there. We were trying to go for 500.
So we got a 30
What's
rejection.
the most likes you've got?
On a video or one of these.
Yeah, on the live.
So I'm not gonna take this trade, but I'm gonna
This
see
is
how it
probably-
plays out.
This is probably up there.
You
It
heard?
might have been one of the start. Yeah, this is probably up there.
I'm gonna see how this trade plays out. Most likely, it's gonna go bearish after rejecting this level again. Ooh, damn! But I really want to take this trade, dude. Fuck, that's a nice trade.
So take it, bro.
I don't know. Let's see.
That stop loss
For-
hit.
Hang on.
No, that's not.
You've already just played the whole trade out.
No, I
'cause you're
didn't. This is the. What's it called?
That's right. Yeah, if you're gonna take it, that's showing you where it's going.
This was the close of the 4-hour. No, it's not.
No?
So this is 1700, and back where I was looking at is 1700. Oh no, it's 20. So this is like
Yeah.
after. So this is the next 4-hour candle.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah.
So that 4-hour candle, what did it close at? I'll show you.
No.
That
The 4
142,976.
It's above the resistance,
see.
bro.
976.
Yeah, it's closed above. It's above that. It's above that stop loss. It's got pointing above the stop loss.
Let him
So, yeah.
take it. Let him
No,
take
but
the trade.
I didn't say I was gonna take it. I didn't say I was gonna take it. I said I was gonna watch and see how this trade plays out.
I'm just
Did
kidding,
I not
bro.
say that?
No pressure, bro.
So stop loss was clapped, right? But I didn't take this trade, so it doesn't count. But let's see what
Alright.
we can still go bearish.
There's been a couple of times like that, where I think traders have gone. They almost think they're thinking about taking trade. They look for the higher time frame, see whether it's actually played out, and it's like, nah, I'm not going to take it. But like, you got to take one at some point. Well, in fact, you got to take one sooner rather than later because you're going to run out of dates. We've had that before. There was a couple
Or
of
February.
yeah.
We're
So
still
Iron
February.
Man will get you on. We'll try and get you on at some stage. And hey, Jake. Jack. Sorry, Jack. Why do I keep calling you Jake? Your episode was coming up on the show soon, and we should get you on here as well.
Damn, that would have been nice. Clean ass rejection. I wasn't looking at the daily. Yeah, clean rejection. Next 4-hour candle. We're fucking 50 pips right there. All right, let's see. So on this next 4-hour, either we form support. Either we form resistance, or we fucking continue to fly. It's one or the other. But I think we're gonna form resistance. Let's see.
Yo, JP,
What's up?
do you have like a course?
No,
You don't sell anything?
no, I do account management. So like basically with Go Forex, I have a fucking what's it called? I have a PAM account, and anybody can just invest into the PAM account. You'll see me on the leaderboards. I'm at the top of the leaderboards. Let's see. Damn, dude, 144. Asian session, gay shit. Yeah, so literally the push started fucking London session, continued throughout New York. Asian consolidation after this big move, most likely is going to keep consolidating all the way until there's finally a break of structure. So right now we're rejecting this level. Let me look at it on the 1 hour. 144. Damn, it's a fat ass level.
Yeah, we're doing well. We've got 500 viewers at the moment, which is pretty good for these. So people are interested. Look, this is it. We're down to the wire here, guys. We're down to the wire. You've tuned in for the very end, where JP just needs to win something on a trade, like anything. Get a pip. Guy just needs a pip to take this out. Well, he needs a little bit more than a pip, but all he needs to do is a pip. If you want to have a look at the live scores, you're at the top of the chat. Check it out. They have got the full scores from the whole show, and it's gone for about almost 2 hours now. It was touch and go at the start as to whether or not Forexed was going to turn up. He did it with about 3 seconds to go. And yeah, the live scores are there. Check them out. You'll see all the trades they've taken, who won what, who didn't, why they're currently tied almost at 2.5R for Forexed and 2.49R for JP, who's got one trade to go. All he needs to do is get a little bit of profit, and either he can close it out or he can show what he's made of and try and get a really good score, because this will be your first score on the show. JP, no pressure, mate.
Yes,
if you want to have a buzz at it and try and get not just a winning score, but get a good score. And I can tell you where currently, if you got
where was I? Wait, where was I?
You're at 2.49, so you're currently ranked 5th.
Wait, no.
Just go back.
No. So look, I was like February 21st. So go back to it, because I went to the 5 minute by accident. Okay, go back. I'm gonna turn around, so I don't see anything that happens.
Well,
so I'm closing my eyes, because I haven't seen the screen is blank.
I think what we're gonna do. Oh, Forexed, it's you, mate. You're controlling.
I haven't seen anything.
Forexed. Ali, you're controlling. He's screwed it up. He hit the 5 minute chart by mistake. So it's up to you. I'm going to give you free reign to pick anything again. You can
you can pick it if you want.
Me?
Yeah, you can pick it.
JP, you're going to have to look, because I'm going to have to request control.
Yeah, look.
Can you give me access?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, cool. All right. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say to the audience, guys, where do you want me to set JP up? First one I see that comes up, give me a date and give me a pair. Okay, this is going to put the pressure on. Euro CHF. Okay, we've gone back to that pair.
Match chill.
And give me a date, guys. Give me a date.
Came back to haunt me.
Give me a date, guys. Come on. March the 12th. Okay. Yeah, but I've got to have a year, okay? I can't March the 12th this year? Okay. That'll give us enough time, I think. Okay, let's go there then.
Why couldn't I go back? Why couldn't I go down to the 5 minute? I was literally in February in 2020.
No, it's because it's crap, mate.
Bruh. I was literally about to take a short. I was literally about to take that short, bro.
Yeah,
I was about to catch a fat ass move. I bet it was gonna be fat too. I'm gonna go back to check it at February 21st.
Okay, so what did we say? March 12th. Okay, March 12th. Where the hell are we? July, April. That'll do. Oh, replay mode, maybe. There we go. That'll do. Okay, fella. Unfortunately, you've screwed yourself over here. We've got a bit of last-minute entertainment. You can open your eyes now, and you can cry.
I don't cry about this. This is
your CHF year this year. It's February whatever, so you can skip forward if you want to get to March 12th.
But you gave me the.
Why did somebody keep giving typing one in the chat? Makes no sense. Or 0.
I know why.
Ones and zeros or what? What's going on?
No, that's one of the savages fucking screwing around.
Right. Okay, so it's still here waiting for this last trade. Some last minute drama here as well, guys, for your entertainment purposes. We're at 327 likes. Thank you for everyone liking. We're trying to get to 500. I don't think we're going to get there. We've probably got another 10 minutes left here before this thing wraps up. We find out who wins. Can JP take it out? Is he going to go for the the big
Stop,
dog
stop.
win here, winning trade, or is he just gonna eke it out with a miserly little
The fuck?
2-pip trade or whatever?
Yo, there's nothing. There's nothing there.
There you go.
What the fuck? You gave me structure lows of all time, bro.
There's nothing to the right.
This is like all time lows.
To the left.
Oh
Nothing
wait.
to the, oh, there you go.
But
2017.
that's not bad.
You're CHF, eh? Cam, you chose that?
No. Somebody from the chat chose it. So
Ah,
yeah, so people
the people spoke.
Yeah, people in the chat got to choose, and they chose.
That's quite ironic.
Yeah, they chose this pair. So the fact that he's
don't
now
care.
back on this pair is
I tried making it easier for
yeah,
you, bro.
yeah. He tried to make it easy, and you took too long, and then overthought it. You didn't want to lose. Now there you go. That's where reset the chart.
Damn, dude, that structure lows, bro. How the fuck am I gonna trade that?
Oh, that is it. Press 1 if you think JP is the best. Is that it? Is that how it works?
Yeah, there you go. Okay, not bad. I would like to see a break below this. Below
So
this
because we're
level
in
would be
2020,
nice.
you could probably go to the 15-minute chart if you did want to go there. But if you
Cam,
want to,
what's your time right now?
what's-
February 20.
well, what time of the day is it for me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
it's almost 11 a.m. in the morning. It's not too bad. It's perfect
Mm.
on Sunday morning.
oh, it's
Yeah,
Sunday morning.
Yeah,
it's like 4:53 p.m. here. It's
Yeah,
like
it's
basically time
4:53.
like
dinner time.
when I pray.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
At 5 o'clock.
Yeah. So evening prayer.
Yeah. So
But I'll wait.
All
How
right,
about you,
let's see.
JP? JP, where are you at?
I'm
The
in
US?
Florida, dude. Yeah, it's 4:53.
Florida, eh?
Yeah, it's 4:53 also. Let's see. Hold on. Let me look at the fucking 30-minute. All right, so if it breaks this, it should continue to melt. I don't see why not. So let's see. All right. I don't like these fucking candles. All right, yeah. So if it breaks this low, it's very valid. It's very, very valid. This trade is very. Can I go? I can go to the 15-minute. Yeah. Okay, bet. To be honest, I'm not gonna have a sell stop, but on the next candle close, if it does close like over here at this level, I am gonna take the sell.
okay. So we're just waiting still.
So I'm waiting.
Waiting.
So I'll let you guys know
Yep.
if I take the sell. Okay. Yeah. See, this is fuckery. So, all right. Let's see. Let's just keep going for a little bit. Let's see what happens. So many fake outs. The fuck?
Hope you guys are sticking around for this week. This is the suspense is killing me. The suspense.
Literally a fucking 10 pip stop loss. Like, not even like. Let's see the next candle. Woo. It's gonna break out of nowhere. Watch. Okay, that was Asian consolidation. So
Does anyone in this chat actually trade this pair?
London session, nothing.
Yo, Cam,
Oh, we had that fucking.
how many people have you had like on a live stream? The most?
744 or something.
How much do we have now?
505.
Mm,
Let's see.
it's not bad.
It's. I think this is almost the second most popular. Looking at the concurrence, I think it's massively huge.
Bro.
What about yourself? Are you doing any live streams?
Me? Nah, man.
Oof. Oof. 764 rejection. Let's see the next hand to close. Irish? Damn, dude, we're back in this fuckery of a range. Fuckery.
Nick Minute is a New Zealand saying for those Kiwis that are watching. It's like a meme. Nick Minute, it's going to be December
I'm waiting for the next
2020.
Let's see. I'll wait for the next candle. Can I get another rejection to this? No, so yeah, I'm not gonna take that. Fuck that. Yeah, it keeps pushing up. So, I mean, I don't see why it couldn't just continue. So if I get a break, I'll retest.
You only need like 2 pips, mate. Come on, JP, get in there.
I know. Wait, relax, dude. Look at this fucking fuckery, bro. Asian session for sure. Yeah. All right, bet. This is next 15 minutes. I want to get a nice trade, dude, so I can fucking be way up. I don't want to be just up, you know.
Well, if you do a good, what am I trying to say here? If you do a good trade, I'll put you on the table. So you'll rank in the table. So it's incentive for you to actually take a decent trade, and not just get a 2 pip, gutter ball thingy. But I mean, like.
Oh my god, sideways movement the whole way. Where are we? February still.
I mean, people are gonna want to eat at some point. So whenever you're ready, JP.
Okay, we're kind of breaking to the upside now. Let's see.
We're losing numbers now. Everyone's like waiting for the trade. It's dropping. It's tanking. Come on, fella. You can pull one out.
Trading is about taking the opportunity at the right time, at the right moment, so you can get the best possible entry. So that's the difference.
Sorry, man. I'm putting pressure on you.
That's the difference between profitable traders and non-profitable traders. And it's 5 o'clock. I don't like it. Oh, what are we at? A 30-minute?
Does this look anything like what you normally trade?
No. I don't care though. Should push up. Let me look real quick. Let me see something. Big break retest. Mid lower. All right, though. Let me get up, bro. What the fuck? This pair is cancer. I'm sorry for making you trade this.
It's funny, Ali, you actually did all right on it. I mean, that trade was a decent trade that you took. I mean, it took you 7 years to get there, but
7 years? Okay,
but no,
man.
it wasn't that. That was like what 2 or 3 years to get there, find the setup on a 4 hour. Look, it's on a 4 hour chart as well, so fair enough.
Yeah.
All right, fuck it, bro. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take a buy from here. It's a good buy.
Just give him GJ. He can't trade this.
Yeah, you should give me GJ. I'll sauce up GJ.
The guys in the audience, man, they're the ones that chose it.
All right, so I'm gonna take this trade. Fuck
Okay.
it.
Are you in at market? You're in at market?
Huh? Yeah.
Are you in at market?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me just take one look at the fucking 15. Okay, let's see. I'm selling on a fib short. I mean, I'm buying on a fib short. This is a fib short, 100%. Yeah, it's fib short. Oof, now I'm gonna take a short. Fuck it, taking a short, guys. Risk it for the fucking biscuit on this one. Get the 1 hour quick. Bearish. Yeah. As long as it doesn't, yeah, I'm taking the short. All right, guys.
Well, in fact, hang on. Before you do.
So what gets me to win?
What time are you on there?
Huh? I'm at 15.
5:15. Now go back to the 1 hour. 5:15. What's the 1 hour showing us? What candle was that? 5 o'clock. So it's showing the whole 1 hour candle. So you've just seen where
it's showing the closed. It's showing the
it's
closed.
It's showing that's the start of the 1 hour.
100%. Look, I'll show you.
Yeah.
So that closed at. So that closed at 5, right?
Yeah. It's showing the arrow.
This closed at 5. Look at 5 right here. Boom, 5. It was bullish.
Yeah. So you're at 5:15 now. It's showing that's showing the full 5 hour candle.
No, because if it did, look, I'll show you how you.
Yo, if price is pushing back up, wouldn't you see bullish candles?
Look, if it did, watch. Then I would be in the trade.
No. Here, draw a line through that. Go back to 15. Draw a line through the last candle. Draw a line through it. A vertical line.
What, over here?
Yeah, draw a vertical line through the last candle. No, on the 15-minute chart. And I'll prove it to you. You draw a vertical line through the last candle.
Yeah, right here.
No, the red one. Vertical line. Yeah. Is it? No, vertical line. That's horizontal.
What do you mean?
An up and down line. Yeah, one. Yeah.
Right here.
Draw that there, and then go back to the hourly, and you'll see it's the same candle. So it's painted the whole candle. So you're gonna have to find another entry because you've already.
It's gonna melt.
Yeah.
It's gonna keep melting from there too. Watch. See. I called it out on the 15-minute, then went out
to the hourly. Then you went to the hourly and just said,
but I called it on the 15-minute.
And then you said, I'm going to take the trade.
Yeah, because I saw this rejection to the 50 SMA. So that was my confluence for the trade. Okay, whatever. It's okay. Ugh.
I mean, the thing is, you only need 0.01 R.
I know. And I was about to catch this.
Which is like
look at the
nothing,
short.
Which is a nothing.
That would have been like
to take the
13 pips right there. I'm this fucking shitty ass pair.
Yeah, that's the problem with the replay challenge. You go up. Unfortunately, it painted the whole candle. Yeah, it's the problem. The only way to get around it is to go back a couple of candles to the start of the hour, then go, okay, all right, what did the hourly look like? But I can't even remember how to do that. Guys, we are almost there. We've got one trade to go. We got one trade to go.
15-minute candles, dude. Continue up. We're breaking 30-minute structure.
They're like the person to blame is the one that put Euro CHF into the chat. That said, you're the one that started it, JP. I'm just saying.
Damn, I can't even go to the 5-minute and see how this fucking plays out.
Somebody sent me a message. Where can I watch JP versus Ed?
Bro, can I go down to the 5-minute in March?
I don't think so. Yeah, 5 minutes like 3 months. You got 3 months of data on the 5-minute.
So what do I need to win? 0.2.
You need like 0.1 R, I think. Yeah, 0.1 R. Yeah. So you need 1% or 10%, something like that. We'll work it out. If you get into a profit point, because you're gonna have to see the end of the price anyway, we'll just go. Okay, well if you want to win,
I'm taking the short.
You're taking the short?
Yeah, I'm gonna take the short.
Okay, remember going up. The time frames is gonna potentially show us stuff. Okay, cool. I think that you're all good.
No, I'm good because it's not 4.5.
Yeah, okay. So you might have seen an extra 15 minutes.
So
but-
the next 1 hour candle, if it doesn't,
Take the trade, bro.
Take the trade. Are you in or not?
Oh my god.
Are you in? You're in or not?
Alright, but
You're cutting up.
alright, get ready.
There you
Okay,
go.
There you go. You got it. You got it. How much was that from an R point of view? 0.45. No,
0.55.
no, 0.45 because you didn't tell us you were going to move the stop. But that's still good, mate. 0.45. Well done. So let me just add that in. That is probably the most painful ending.
Alright,
to this.
so I did win. You know, you guys gotta go follow me on Instagram. You know,
Yep, indeed, guys, indeed. So let me
and you
just do
guys
the
gotta
maths.
go use Forex.
Let me do the maths here. 2.49 plus 0.45 is 2.94. 2.94. You have taken it out, JP. Well done, mate. I'm just going to stop sharing here for a second. Thank you both for coming on the show. Guys, for watching, thank you for hitting the like button and getting us to 350 plus likes. Finally, Forexed, do you want to just wrap up with a couple of words? I know you got to go.
No, I'm good, man. Thank you for having me, man. Appreciate it.
Look, it's great education here
we
for
gotta,
everyone.
We gotta
JP,
link
what
up.
about you?
Forex. Yeah, bro. Thank you for having me. Yo, Forex, we gotta link up, bro. I'm gonna hit you up.
Cool. Brilliant. Awesome, guys. Well, look, everyone else, thanks for watching. Another episode of Trading Nut coming up just before Christmas. And, yeah, look, wishing you all a happy holidays if I don't see you before then. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it, folks.